Relational algebra and calculus in DBMS. So this is very theoretical concept. So before understand what is relational algebra and calculus, let's understand the very first what is relational model and query language. So let's understand what is relational model. So relational model is nothing but our data is stored in the relational format. That means our data is stored in column and rows format. So here rows is nothing but a records and columns is nothing but an attribute. So here there are two records are present and there are three columns is there, that is ID, name and phone, and this is a student table. So this is how the relational model is. The next is the query language. So query language is nothing but this is the language which is used to insert, update, delete data from database. There are two types of query languages. Very first is procedural and non-procedural. So let's see what is procedural query language. So procedure means there are some set of procedure which we follow at the time of executing the query. That means user is telling the system that this stepwise procedure you have to follow. So let's say we have a student table, and in that student table we are entering the marks of the student. So after entering the marks of student, we are tell to the system that after calculate the total marks and then calculating the grade. So this is how the procedure should be followed. First calculate the marks, then calculate the grade. The next is non-procedural language. Non-procedural means there is a nothing procedure is followed. So user tell to the database, I want this type of data from the database, but user cannot tell to the database how to retrieve. So relational algebra is a procedural query language and relational calculus is a non-procedural query language. So previous we see what is procedural and non-procedural query language. So let's see what are the types of relational algebra. There are two types of operations present in the types of relational algebra. The very first is a basic operation and derive operation. So in basic operation, the very first operator is a select operator. So this select operator is denoted by this sigma symbol, and this is same as a where clause. So for example, select star from student where id is equal to 1. So how to write this query with the help of a select operator? Use this select operator symbol, what you want and the name of the table. So this is how you can write the query with the help of a select operator. So this is the first, you write symbol of select operator, then I want the student where the student id is 1. So this is nothing but a condition we can say, and then name of the table. Then next is a project operator. So this project operator is denoted by this symbol. This is same as a select statement. We know select employee id from employee. So how to write this query with the help of project operator? Simply write the symbol of project operator, what you want and the name of the table. The next is union operator. The union operator is nothing but we are combining the two tables. That means, so firstly this symbol is used by union operator. So if you have two tables and from that table the column name is the same in both the table, and I want to selecting all the entries from both the tables. So here the name student table and here the course table. So this is the name. So this is the name of column, and this is also column name is name from course table, and I want this all entries. So how to write this query with the help of this union operator? Write the symbol what you want from student table. So I want name from name column from student table, union operator. Sorry, this symbol is a select symbol. Here you can see this is a select symbol, that means this is a project operator. So here we are using project operator. Then what you want from student table, union, same project operator, name, and that name of the table. So next is intersection operator. So this symbol is used by intersection operator. So intersection means we are selecting the common entries from different tables. So here the name of the student table and here the course table. So here we are fetching only these two entries, that is ABC and XYZ. So this PQR entries cannot fetch because this is not a common entries from both table, because it is present in the course table but it is not present in the student table. So how to write this query with the help of intersection operator? Use project operator, what you want from student table, the intersection operator, then project operator, and what you want from course table. Here the output will be displayed, the ABC and XYZ will be fetched. Next is set difference. What does it mean? So this symbol is denoted by set difference. So set difference is nothing but the query or entry, sorry, the entry is present in student table. The entry, it is not present in student table but entry is presented in the course table. So here you can see the PQR entry is present in course table but it is not present in student table. So with the help of a set difference we can fetch this PQR name. So same project operator, name from student table, set difference symbol, project operator, that means select name from course table, and here you can display. So this entry is present in course table but not present in student table. So next is a Cartesian product. Cartesian product is denoted by this symbol, and Cartesian product means combining the two relation, that means combining the two tables. So how to write this query? The name of the table Cartesian product with the second table. So in this Cartesian product, here you can see in student table and this is the course table. So the first entry of student table is Cartesian product with the first entry of the course table, and so on. Next is rename. Suppose you want to rename the column name of table. So here in student table, then column name here is a name. So I want to rename it as a stud name. So how to write this? This symbol of rename, what do you want, the name which you want to change, this is select operator. Select these column which you want to rename it and the table name. So here we are completing the relational algebra. Then this is a relational calculus. There are two relational calculus, tuple and domain relational calculus. So we all of us know that tuple means rows. So in tuple relational calculus we are fetching rows. So let's see how to write this query with the help of relational calculus. So this is a student table. How to write this query? T. Here T is nothing but a resulting tuple, the name, that means what you want to fetch. So I want this name column. So from name column I want to fetch something. This is and this is student, that means this is the name of the table. T is resulting tuple, and again T is a resulting tuple. City is equal to Pune. So this is condition, and that means those student live in a Pune city. I want to fetch the name of that student. This is how you can write with the help of tuple relational calculus. So this is domain relational calculus. So this is not based on tuple, this is based on domain, or we can say this is based on column, or we are fetching column with the help of domain relational calculus. So here we are fetching the column is name and city. So here here we are declaring name and city. On what condition? Those student having city is Pune. So here the name and city will be fetched. This is how the domain relational calculus is work. Thank you.